We're told hard work is the answer, but for many, it's not enough. You see people hustling, yet still struggling to make ends meet. The truth: poverty isn't a personal failure, it's a system with hidden rules. Those who escape don't just get lucky, they learn the game no one teaches. Today, I'll share 9 research-backed ways to break free from poverty. Practical steps you can use right away. We'll cover money, mindset, skills, and systems, because real change is about more than just cash. This is your blueprint for taking control and building a life on your terms. If you're ready to break free, stay with me. Let's dive in. Step 1. Budgeting, but not the way you think. For 7 days, track every dollar you spend. No judgment, just data. Use a notepad or free app. The goal is to see where your money really goes. Once you have the facts, you can spot patterns and leaks. If the classic 50-30-20 rule feels impossible, use a survival budget. List your income, then only the bare essentials. Media. Pie chart: 50-30-20 on paper. Handwritten survival budget on notebook. Rent, food, utilities, transport, everything else waits. Cover minimum debt payments to avoid late fees and protect your credit. With any leftover, even $1, start an emergency buffer. This isn't forever, it's about regaining control. Tracking and prioritizing gives you agency, and that's the fuel for every next step. Remember, you can't fix what you can't see. Start with clarity, not shame. This is your financial ground zero. Now let's build from here. Emergencies happen. A flat tire, a sick kid, a broken appliance. When you're broke, these can spiral into disaster. Your first goal: save $250. It's small, but it's a win and a shield against crisis. Sell something, save $5 a week, pick up a shift, prove to yourself you can do it. Celebrate when you hit it, then aim for $500, then 1 month of survival budget expenses. Automate savings if you can, even $10 per payday. Keep this fund liquid and separate. Don't touch it unless it's a real emergency. Research shows even a small buffer reduces the risk of eviction or missed bills. This isn't theory. It's your first step toward peace of mind. Build the habit, not just the fund. This is your foundation. Being poor is expensive. Fees, higher prices, payday loans. Automate bills to avoid late fees. If you get hit with a fee, call your bank and ask for a waiver. You'd be surprised how often it works. Avoid payday loans at all costs. Seek alternatives like credit unions or payment plans. Use community resources, food banks, utility help, childcare subsidies, strategically, not shamefully. Every fee avoided and resource used is money back in your pocket. Plug the leaks and defend every dollar. This is how you fight back. You can only cut so much. At some point you need to earn more. The fastest way: learn a high-value skill you can monetize in 30-90 days. Think bookkeeping, digital marketing, graphic design, or a trade. Pick one skill, spend 30 minutes a day learning, and practice on small projects. Your first paid gig, even $50, is proof you can trade skill for money. Every new skill boosts your value and job prospects. Invest in yourself. It pays the best dividends. Offense is how you change your financial story. The biggest raise often comes from a better job, not your current one. Stop mass applying. Tailor your resume for each job using keywords from the posting. Apply within 24-48 hours of a job being posted to get noticed. Set alerts on job sites so you're first in line. Follow up a week after applying with a short, polite email to show initiative. Build your references before you need them. Ask a former boss or colleague if they'll vouch for you. A single strong reference can tip the scales. This targeted approach gets results. A better job is a powerful engine for change. Use the system, don't let it use you. There's no shame in using support programs. They're a bridge, not a failure. Think of them as the fire department for your finances. SNAP, WEC, LIHEAP, childcare, and rental assistance. They exist to help you stabilize. Call 211 or search for local social services to find what's available. Using these resources frees up money for debt, savings, or skill building. They're a temporary scaffold so you can build something permanent. Use them strategically, then pay it forward when you're able. Stability is the goal. Mindset matters. Scarcity rewires your brain for survival, not growth. Build new habits to shift from fear to control. Weekly money check-in. Spend 15 minutes reviewing your finances. No judgment, just awareness. Daily balance. Check. Look at your bank balance every morning to reduce anxiety. 24-hour pause. Wait a day before any non-essential purchase over $20. These habits break the cycle of stress and impulse. You become the manager, not the victim, of your money. Small, consistent actions change your identity. This is the glue that holds your plan together. Mindset is your secret weapon. Not all debt is equal. High-interest debt is the enemy. First, stop taking on new bad debt. Freeze your credit cards if you must. Use cash or debit only. Then, pick a payoff method. Debt snowball. Pay smallest debts first for quick wins. Debt avalanche. Pay highest interest first for maximum savings. Choose the one you'll stick with and attack your list. Every debt paid off frees your income for better things. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Break the chains. Reclaim your future. Now, move from surviving to building wealth. First, fully fund a 3 to 6 month emergency fund, your safety net. Next, clear all high-interest debt. Then, invest automatically every month in low-cost index funds or retirement accounts. Don't try to pick stocks, just buy the market and let it grow. As your income rises, increase your investments, not just your lifestyle. Keep learning new skills to boost your earning power. This creates a cycle: more income, more investment, more freedom. It's not flashy, but it works. This is your blueprint for lasting security. Escaping poverty isn't instant. It's a journey of small, consistent steps. You can rewrite your story, starting today. Pick one step from this video and do it now. Track your spending, save $10, or learn a new skill. Each action moves you forward. You're not alone. Join our community. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'm choosing freedom. We're building something better. Together. You've got this.